Out of the 100 billion humans who have ever lived, only one is you. The odds of you being exactly the same as anyone else? Virtually zero, because there has never been, and never will be, another person like you. So, what makes you, you? Is it your appearance, your personality, your memories? All of those things matter, but none of them fully define you. Your DNA alone contains 3 billion letters of information. It's some of the most complex code in the entire universe. It's why you look, think, and act differently from anyone else who's ever existed. Even down to your atoms, you're unique. But if your body is always changing, is that really you? Imagine this. We disassemble every atom in your body, separate your brain from your mind, and then reconstruct it all inside another person. Would it still be you? That's where things get interesting. According to the law of conservation of energy, energy can't be created or destroyed, only transferred. The energy that makes up your body didn't begin with you. It's been here for billions of years, recycled from stars, planets, plants, and creatures long before you were born. So, on a biological level, you're a recycled form of energy. But biologically isn't the whole story, because humans aren't just complicated biologically. We're complicated in ways that science still struggles to define. So what are you then? The answer seems to live somewhere between physics and philosophy. If you'll never be the exact same as any human who's ever lived, then maybe there's something non-physical at the heart of who you are. Most people call it a soul, a word for the part of you that no science experiment can measure, but you know is there. It's what makes you you, because no one who has ever lived or ever will live can replicate it. So, to answer the question, who are you? A once-in-a-universe arrangement of atoms and energy? A mind capable of thought, memory, and self-awareness? A soul unlike any that's ever existed? That's who you are, and that's why you should never stop being you.